This is a tool I'd actually use. Let me tell you why. Show HN 1-800 Coder macOS app where you call an AI developer to edit your page. Hacker News community post. 1.0 comments. My take. This lowers the barrier significantly. Link in the description. If you build with LLMs, this one deserves your attention. Trouble with image gen or /ChatGPT. I've got Plus, and I use thinking mode. My dilemma is that no matter what I ask ChatGPT to make or how I prompt it, any image it makes it does in this like painted or concept art kind of look. Practically speaking, this saves real development time. Full details in the description below. I think this tool is going to become a staple in a lot of workflows. Something odd has happened lately with ChatGPT. It started exclusively just repeating your prompts back to you in different wording with nothing new added on. Even with extended thinking, even when researching its answer, if you're lucky enough for it to even think. r/ChatGPT. I can't recall when this change first happened, but it has become extremely noticeable lately, especially since 5.5 was released. Any and every prompt I type is no longer grounded in research or. If you build with LLMs, this one deserves your attention. Show HN, a multi-model interface where LLMs debate with each other. Hacker News community post. 1.0 comments. Practically speaking, this saves real development time. Full details in the description below. This release solves a real problem developers keep running into. Americans do not want AI data centers in their backyards. Over 70% of Americans oppose AI data center construction in their area, according to a new Gallup survey. Just 7% said they were strongly in favor of new data centers. The value here is in how much complexity it abstracts away. Check it out, link below. Out of everything that dropped this week, this is the one I kept coming back to. Llama.Cpp, with 110,092 stars on GitHub, written in C++. LLM inference in C/C++++. What I like is how composable this is with existing stacks. Worth a look, description has the link. I think this tool is going to become a staple in a lot of workflows. Khosla Ventures is betting $10 million on Ian Crosby, whose last startup, Bench, imploded. Crosby is building Synthetic, a fully autonomous AI bookkeeping service for other startups. This is the kind of tooling that actually sticks around. Repo and docs linked in the description. This is a tool I'd actually use. Let me tell you why. ChatGPT is kinda cooking with image generation. r/ChatGPT. Submitted by /u/remarkable, Sir 4051, link, comments. My take. This lowers the barrier significantly. Link in the description. This technique is the difference between getting okay results and great ones. I realized I was stuck in tutorial hell on YouTube, so I built an AI to force me to actually learn. r/learn machine learning. Hey guys, for the past few months, I've been trying to learn React via YouTube playlists, but I realized I was just passively watching videos. My take. Apply this immediately, the results speak for themselves. Link in the description. This is the kind of integration that makes Claude actually useful in production. Do Cowork scheduled tasks sync across machines on the same account? R/Claude AI. I run a weekly scheduled task in a Cowork project on my MacBook, Claude desktop. It triggers an MCP server running locally on that machine and saves output to a project folder. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you were building without it. Worth a look. Description has the link. If you're building agentic workflows, this MCP piece matters. Telegram. No SDK. R/Claude AI. I think a lot of us know about this. But just putting this here for those that don't. This is the kind of connector that unlocks whole categories of use cases. Check it out. Link below. This release solves a real problem developers keep running into. I found the best early Memorial Day Apple deals. Save hundreds on iPad, Apple Watch, and more. Summer is almost here, and you can already find deals on all things Apple with these early Memorial Day weekend sales. The value here is in how much complexity it abstracts away. Check it out. Link below. If you build with LLMs, this one deserves your attention. SeedVR 2 takes long to upscale. R/Stable Diffusion. I have a GTX 1080 Ti 11 GB. Is 300 seconds normal for 2K upscale? How can I get faster results? Practically speaking, this saves real development time. Full details in the description below. And that's your AI news roundup for today. If any of these stories caught your attention, drop a comment below. I'd love to know what you think. Hit subscribe so you never miss a daily update, and I'll see you tomorrow.